Welcome guys, I am Mohammed Salim and today I will show you how to change your Android theme to an iOS theme. First you need an app. That app is on Google Play. It's iPhone 11 launcher. You can download it. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Click on it to start. It will ask you to access to some features on your phone. Click OK, enable now. And if you don't have the feature that he asks for, just click skip like I'm doing right now. And you got two type of themes. Choose what one you like more. I like this because it's more like an iOS. And check this box if you want to hide your navigation bar. Click get started. Set as default. You want to set this theme as your default theme. Go to Home app. Choose that and your iOS theme. If you want to back to your Android original theme, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, Home app, and choose the other option. And here you back to your Android original theme. That was it. If you like the video, click the like button and leave a comment about what you want me to make next. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to get more videos. See you in the next video.